I want to make a salad later, but I need to prep the mix first. So here we go. I got my 1.5 gallon Rubbermaid container and I laid down a paper towel. So I get some fresh baby spinach that I got from Sam's, no other. And I put a layer down first. Now what I got is the garden salad mix, and I open it and I'm going to layer down, just a light layer first. Now what I'm going to do is get that other half of the spinach, lay that on top. Now I want to get the other half of the garden mix and just mix all that together. Avoid any mess, or try to. Now that I have the lettuce mixed up, I'm going to put another sheet of a paper towel on top. This way, when I put the lid on, this will help the lettuce from freezing in the refrigerator. Also, it helps the lettuce last longer. Now, all I got to do is put the lid on top, make sure it's locked in, and label and date it.